NuLine Manufacturing of Denver is a comprehensive engineering and manufacturing machine builder. The company specializes in equipment that produces shaped or complex packages, pouches, or bags. Recently, NuLine built a new version of a bag forming machine that creates large format bag liners for intermediate bulk containers to ship or store liquid contents such as paint, cooking oil, and even eggs. These bags can hold up to 300 gallons of product, and NuLine is one of the few machine builders with experience creating this type of system. To build the new machine, NuLine chose to use a state-of-the-art electric drives, motors, and controls platform from Bosch Rexroth, coupled with extensive use of Rexroth aluminum structural framing and linear guide products. NuLine's machine forms flat sheets of roll-fed polyethylene into the cube or rectangular bag shape. Plastic is fed from 4 rolls in the main unwind station to form the top and bottom layers of the bag. These 2 layers then pass through 2 fitment stations. Holes are punched at select locations on the bag, then fitments such as nozzles or spouts are inserted into the holes and then sealed in place. These fitments enable the bag to be filled and emptied. At the gusset unwind station, 4 more rolls feed plastic into the machine to form the bag sides. These layers are automatically folded in half lengthwise. They are then inserted between the upper and lower layers of the web. 2 sealing stations then complete a series of steps using a heat sealer to weld the bag gusset to the upper and lower layers and complete the formation of the bag. Bosch Rexroth technology made substantial contributions to multiple aspects of NuLine's bag forming machine. The automation controller for the entire machine is the IndraMotion MLC system running on the Rexroth IndraControl L45 PLC hardware. Rexroth's IndraMotion MLC is an integrated controller-based motion logic platform that combines innovative software and firmware capabilities with printing and converting industry-specific technology functions. Working closely with Rexroth distributor partner AAP Automation, NuLine selected the MLC because it provided the robust processing power to control the machine's 20 axes of motion, support for an extensive I/O network, and execute fast changeovers to different bag dimensions. The drive platform the machine uses is the compact IndraDrive CS. The CS drives are proven, reliable systems and feature regenerative bus sharing to help control energy consumption. All the machine's motors are driven by the CS drives. These include multiple Rexroth IndraDyne MSK motors, as well as 8 third-party motors used in the main and gusset unwind stations. NuLine cited the IndraDrive's ability to work with non-Rexroth electric motors as a key reason for selecting the drive platform. There are multiple Rexroth linear elements incorporated into the machine. The 3 fitment stations use dynamic linear elements to provide the linear axis that positions the fitments for insertion into the bag. One of the most unique and original aspects of NuLine's design was the extensive use of Rexroth aluminum structural framing to build the machine. NuLine chose to use aluminum profiles rather than welded steel for the machine's main structural elements, as well as the machine's enclosure, for 2 reasons: functionality and aesthetics. According to Greg Harivel, president of NuLine and chief designer of the forming machine, utilizing the strong modular profiles enables NuLine to engineer and assemble the machine faster without sacrificing stability or load-bearing qualities normally associated with steel supports. Rexroth aluminum structural framing features the most extensive range of profiles, connectors, and accessories on the market. Its unique T-slot design provides high strength-to-weight ratios, fast assembly, easy reconfiguration, and superior fit and finish. Harivel said that Rexroth aluminum framing provided much greater freedom to fine-tune NuLine's design. If a subassembly or conduit did not quite fit where originally designed, it was easy to simply unbolt the component from one location and bolt it somewhere else. Along with functionality, Rexroth's aluminum profiles offer a clean, modern appearance that Harivel used as the basis for an improved design for the forming machine's enclosures, frames, and other visible elements. AAP Automation provided extensive support to NuLine as the machine's programming and testing proceeded. This included having a programmer on-site to program the IndraMotion MLC platform and ensure the motion and machine control capabilities met requirements. Harivel said NuLine appreciated all the support both AAP Automation and Bosch Rexroth provided to develop the machine, and that the performance of the machine's controls and drives platform enabled a much faster startup to full production. The Rexroth aluminum structural framing offered an additional advantage. It was easy to break the machine down into modular sections for shipping and reassemble for final startup and production. In the future, NuLine expects to make much more use of Rexroth aluminum structural framing, linear components, and electric drives and controls platforms, since all those Rexroth technologies were crucial to making NuLine's new bag forming machine a successful solution.